Hello my dear students, we have studied about various types of numbers and we are familiar with number system. Let us review them. First, natural numbers. Counting numbers are known as natural numbers. It is denoted by n. Now, whole numbers. All natural numbers together with 0 are known as whole numbers. It is denoted by W. Next, integers. Whole numbers and negative of natural numbers are known as integers. It is denoted by I or Z. Z stands for Zehlin. Now, rational numbers. Any number that can be expressed in the form P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q both are integers, is called rational number. It is denoted by Q. Now, irrational numbers, non-terminating and non-repeating decimals are known as irrational numbers. Real numbers. The collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. It is denoted by R. Now we are going to discuss rational and irrational numbers from chapter number 1. So first, rational. The word rational comes from the word ratio. That is, every rational number can be written as the ratio of two integers. Let's see. 2 by 3. It is in the ratio 2:3. And the definition of rational number, any number that can be expressed in the form P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q both are integers, is called rational numbers. It is denoted by Q. Q stands for quotient, used for quotient. The first example, 2 by 3, -2, 1, 0, etc. From this example, we can observe every natural number is a rational number. One is the natural number. See the example 1. So we can write 1 by 1. It is in term of P by Q. Q is not equal to 0 and both are integers. Now the second point we observe, every integer is a rational number. -2 we can write here -2 by 1. Both are integer. Q is not equal to 0 and it is in term of P by Q. Now the third observation, 0 is a rational number. See, 0 we can write 0 by 1 is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0 by 3. So we have three observations from these examples. Now equivalent rational numbers. Let's see. We have to find three equivalent rational numbers of 2 by 3. So we can write here 2 by 3 is multiplied by 2 by 2. So 2 to the 4 and 3 to the 6. Again next, 2 by 3 is multiplied by 3 by 3 is equal to 3 to the 6, 3 3 the 9. Again next, 2 by 3 is multiplied by 4 by 4 is equal to 4 to the 8 and 4 3 the 12. So we have three equivalent rational numbers of 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6 is equal to 6 by 9 is equal to 8 by 12 are equivalent rational numbers. Now, simplest form of a rational number. Let's see. We have to find simplest form or lowest term or irreducible form of 15 by 30. So first of all, we have to find highest common factor of 15 and 30 is equal to 15. Now, 15 by 30 is divided by 15 by 15. It's become 15 divided by 30 is divided by 15 is divided by 15. So we have 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is the lowest term, that is simplest form of 15 by 30. Now, representation of rational number on a number line. Let's see the example. Suppose we have 3 by 4. Represent on number line. So first of all, draw a number line. It is denoted by L. Now here 0, here 1. See the denominator is 4. So it is divided into 4 parts. First part, second part, third part and fourth part. Now we can write here 0 by 4, it is equal to 0. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is 1. So we represent 3 by 4. So this point is 3 by 4. See one more example. Represent minus 2 by 5 on number line. So first of all, draw a number line. It is denoted by L. Now write here 0 because it is negative and here minus 1. Now see the denominator is 5. So divide into 5 parts. First part, second part, third, fourth and fifth. Now we have to write here 0 by 5. That means 0. Now 1 minus 1 by 5. Now minus 2 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Minus 5 by 5. It's become minus 1. So we represent minus 2 by 5. This is the point minus 2 by 5. How to find a rational number between two rational numbers? So let A and B be two rational numbers such that A is less than B, then 1 by 2 is multiplied by A plus B is a rational number. Let's see the example. We have to find a rational number between 1.3 and 1.4. So here A is equal to 1.3 and B is equal to 1.4. See here clearly A is less than B. So we can apply this formula. A rational number between 1.3 and 1.4 is equal to 1 by 2 is multiplied by A plus B. Now 1 by 2, the value of A is 1.3, substitute here, plus the value of B 1.4. Now 1 by 2 is multiplied by 2.7. Now 2.7 by 2, their value is 1.35. So we have a rational number between 1.3 and 1.4 is 1.35. How to find n rational numbers between two different rational numbers? Let a and b be two rational numbers such that a is less than b. We want to find n rational numbers between a and b. So first we have to find d. So d is equal to b minus a divided by n plus 1. Then n rational numbers between a and b are a plus d. The first rational number a plus d, second a plus 2d, third a plus 3d, and n rational numbers a plus nd. Let's see the example. Find three rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 4. So here a is equal to 1 by 5 and b is equal to 1 by 4. See here, clearly a is less than b. So first of all we have to find d. Applying this formula, b minus a by n plus 1 is equal to, substitute the value of b. The value of b is 1 by 4 minus the value of a is 1 by 5 by n. So we have to find three rational numbers. So 3 plus 1 is equal to, now taking LCM, 5 minus 4, 20 is multiplied by 4, it has become 1 by 80. So the value of d is equal to 1 by 80. Now we have to find three rational numbers between 1 by 5 and 1 by 4. So the first rational number is a plus d. See here, a plus d. So the value of a is 1 by 5 plus the value of d is 1 by 80. 1 by 80. Now after simplification we have 17 by 80. Now the second rational number a plus 2d. a plus 2d. So first the value of a is 1 by 5 plus 2 is multiplied by 1 by 80, the value of d. Now after simplification we have 18 by 80. Now the third rational number is a plus 3d is equal to 1 by 5 plus 3 is multiplied by 1 by 80. We have 19 by 80. So we have first rational number 17 by 80, second rational number 18 by 80, and the third rational number 19 by 80. Now from these results we can observe that there are infinitely many rational numbers between two different rational numbers. Thank you.